sa ya chokde thangmana la jo khaw phat le resna any chemical reaction phat le and thada ni gidin ma chemical reaction ma so ni ni ma and ma mutu samjo and so the thangmana la jo khar khar cha resna chemical changes. Whenever there is a chemical changes, we say that chemical reaction is taking place. Chemical changes chemical reaction take place. Chemical reaction is chemical reaction chemical reaction chemical change chemical change chemical reaction they are equivalent term. Milk gets sold, iron gets rusted, grape gets fermented, food is cooked, then food gets digested in our body and we respire. In all this daily life situation, we see that there is a chemical reaction taking place. Chemical reaction taking place. How do we know that a chemical reaction is taking place? Now, next question. Chemical reaction take place. What are the things that determines a chemical reaction? When we observe chemical reaction take place change in state of matter is state sum solid, liquid, gas. When solid changes to liquid or liquid changes to gas, in this there is a change in a state of a matter. Likewise, gas changes to liquid and liquid changes to solid, or gas changes directly to solid or solid changes directly to gas. In all this, we are talking about the state of a matter. Matter is state state like urge to be and the change state. Okay. When we see a change in state, we say that chemical reaction is taking place. State change chemical reaction take place. Reaction take place. Chemical state in change. Next is change color. If we see a change in color, then we say that chemical reaction has taken place. If we keep a bread at a room temperature during moist season, now this bread gets spoiled. You can find lots and lots of molds which are forming on the bread, and you see the changes of the color. White breads or brown breads turning to a black cotton-like substance. Color changing. The chemical reaction chemical reaction. Lead nitrate solution, test tube lead nitrate solution, and the potassium iodide solution. You observe changes in color. Lead nitrate. Lead nitrate. Lead nitrate reacts with potassium iodide. Potassium iodide. It is a formation of lead iodide plus potassium nitrate. Yeah. See that? Lead nitrate potassium iodide. Lead nitrate the condition is not chunang chi. Chu the chipache. In potassium iodide the chu the chipache. Coraniga duxtana chuni you sometimes. Conditional. Tainege lead nitrate the kitela potassium iodide thick much glue now. Any thick with the ganzama harchakusna, potassium iodide number, any cursa lead nitrate the number, potassium iodide, the several molecule. White, yellow precipitate chart. Now, only child in the culture is any answer lead iodide down, potassium nitrate. All those in beautiful. Says there are harcha colorless substance, two colorless liquid. When they mix together, there is a change in color change, yellow precipitate chart. Says change in color. If we observe such a change in color, and we say that the chemical reaction is taking place. Chemical reaction takes place. That gives someone also gave symbol form of material, formula form of material, chemical formula, and the chemical equation. Chezan also gave activity no lead nitrate, potassium iodide, in a activity lab in activity show that. In a ghost power, and also had a lockdown in negative also left and it to give me anyone to catch it. You get someone, any Tajan at Sela, immediately there is some reaction for the children, someone and Cheza signal. Why? In that reaction takes place here, and what if there is change in state, we say that chemical reaction takes place. If there is change in color, we say that chemical reaction is taking place. That likewise, if you observe evolution of gas, then you can again say that chemical reaction is taking place. Chesa gas evolves any chemical reaction takes place. When a chashana and huge and never oh, there is no produce and the begin never what chick. Dinia Cardusana and gas in the attribute. Oh, did it turn on any other color gas? Chemical reaction takes place. Chemical, then the sugar made a go to the moon or to Temati Hatchas like evolution of gas. Just the evolution of gas, you know, chemical reactions taking place. Once you know, you, Namsha, you don't want to get any home day or the Zutan carrying on to get love to goodness. Chemical change to do. Actually, chemical reaction to chemical reaction to you, Karunga, Kunge, or the evolution of gas. Timot's on screen. Yeah, Timot's Hachibu, color vicious, spoiling of food. When food gets spoiled, we get a smell, bad smell. And from this bad smell, we say that a chemical reaction is taking place. All the children are doing it, and it chemical reaction takes place. Likewise, change in temperature. Like first to be years, and only the gym on the car. Yan Dagarangan on the ship, chemical change. When I want to Subuti, Tawina, and on the other traders, Subuta and the Servatias, and Podamola want to be chemical reaction. When a college told over the genie, Kogan Saranka, Duro, Remane, all the cheza pena bigger chik nangola pena bigger chik nangola nyegi any calcium oxide tang any nyegi in the water da add chusuna any kuni reaction it is a exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction in the any bigger we feel hot. Change in temperature. We see change in temperature and we can say that chemical reaction is taking place. When you hear some kinds of hissing sound and all these things, these are the things that determines or that tells us or that helps us to know that a chemical reaction is taking place. Right? Chemical reaction takes place. To demonstrate whether a chemical reaction has taken place, the chemical change has change in state, change in color, change evolution of gas, change in its temperature. Or if you observe all these things, it determines that chemical reaction is taking place. All these chemical reaction takes place. Also chemical reaction which is like chemical equation. Chemical equation chemical equation is condition chemical equation is condition when I lab nangola there is a preparation of hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas prepared here condition tubes. Metals and non-metals, metals the reaction with acid or the junction the solution hydrogen gas preparation and there are zinc granule zinc granule or dilute sulfuric acid. That H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Zinc. Zinc is a metal. Zinc like metal. Zinc is sulfuric acid. Blue na kharchik re asa. Blue suna that kharchik zinc sulfate. Yes. Zinc sulfate right? And then there is a evolution of hydrogen gas. Oh yeah. Just that data. There teach the chemical equation. Yeah. That the chemical equation chaswa. The zinc plus dilute sulfuric acid reacts to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. Symbol down formula between the T-shirt D on the chemical equation chart. And D was the zinc plus sulfuric acid reacts to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen. Now this is called as a word equation. Chemical equation. Chemical equation. Dila manzu ki dila proshaikyo ki dige dila manzu khala dusna word equation. Dila zinc plus sulfuric acid reacts to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen. The word equation. But there are the chemical equation, chemical change. Chemical change there is a chemical say initial substance which are going to change, initial substance which say combine to form a new substance, new final substance. And here these left hand side are called as a reactant. In answer get left hand side left hand side la initial substance which are undergoing change, these are considered as a reactant. Nanzu ki initial substance do you in the and usually get some reactant. Yes, and they get urcheni and they form a final product, final substance, final new substance called as a product. Product like right hand side. Right hand side product. This is the final product of those initial substance which has undergone change. The initial substance product like yes. The chemical equation reactant and product like that reactant and product like and the number the copper tube the zinc like the any solid right zinc granule like the solid rate sulfuric acid like the liquid rate the charts liquid charts LBT representation of the state that the zinc sulfate and coke charts zinc sulfate like the liquid charts liquid zinc sulfate oh, that in zinc sulfate and hydrogen like the gas. Here's a representation of product. Representation of reactant, product, and their states symbolically is called chemical equation. Representation of reactant, product, and their states symbolically is called chemical equation. The chemical equation is chemical equation. The chemical equation is what is chemical equation? Representation of reactant, product, and their states symbolically. Or chemical equation. Chemical equation preparation of hydrogen gas in science lab. Science lab no hydrogen gas preparation. Lab equipment lockdown and to get the Taganula manufacture yore and Silona Shuni and Euro precipitate and Candesredo and if you could meet Ted and called Ninjos. Sort of 7 ninjas in the condition shall be what there is. Yeah, Tandogi chemical equation that the Gigala Manzu Suit is Naranzo Nambu looked in Angola, Nambu looked in Angola, Manzula Carrieresana, looked in Angola, Manzul Tavarish, Gigamang chick doing the chicken. Carrieresana magnesium ribbon. Magnesium ribbon in the Chegu ribbon in the magnesium strip yalne and the magnesium strip tea and Pagala ignite chichene and co burns. Magnesium ribbon burns when it is ignited, right? And it burns with a white dazzling flame. And the penning joint, but Cora salad in the worst human dimension, which I'm burning. Magnesium strip or denzotang reaction denzotang manzuki any namsha windu zindenangula any gigamangchi doyata or denzonangula shazadini the dishigami magnesium ribbon when it is ignited, when it is burned, we have to ignite it so that it can get its ignition temperature. Ignition temperature heat up choose and ignition temperature the taste how and it will burn by itself. Punchy. Chesa only the and the equation of Marty magnesium reacts with air. That magnesium reacts with air reacts with air to form arrow any magnesium oxide MgO. Magnesium oxide is white ash couch 거기 고대 couch 어디지 magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. 어디지 마규투. That thing answer there answer time the kharcha word equation. Magnesium reacts with air to form magnesium oxide. Word equation. And there are magnesium ribbon and magnesium symbol and the chemical equation. That the chemical equation there to D any that kharcha was answer again reactant nangola yoderic atom ki thanga thagu product nango yoderic atom ki thanga ni mangyu chipo kore on dinde ki thanga de mangyu chipo serve ta china tangyum serve ta china any nganzu kharcha do resitune tangyum situne khala uta korani ki thanga mangyu chipo atom right hand side na atom thanga mangyu da left hand side na atom ki thanga mangyu dige chipo swedila any nganzu balance or the balancing chemical equation. The demanding the China and the Noria. The T shall be skeletal chemical equation. The equation is skeletal chemical equation. The balance is Hana and a color balanced chemical equation. On the chemical equation of there's a magnesium ribbon Nanzuki 12 stage in ignition temperature magnesium ribbon burns with a very, very bright flame and its temperature is very high. Temperature petrol. Oh, didn't any dazzling activities Mangchi Gilana, Tungri, Mangchi, Tungri, just a number of singing. That the magnesium strip the jewel a tongue tongue like a champion and it's chala jewel to be able to jewel in a tongue and tongue juice. Imagine a lapatilla, chess a tongue juice, any odi, me patio any culture, dig jela, any how much the quotation. You could take out the color magnesium oxide. The magnesium oxide is to watch glass. That the magnesium oxide, and though you watch glass and Yaramats, dinner further reaction, not to the dinamola, any co-solutions, any conamola, red litmus, the blue litmus get test china, any red litmus gets converted into blue, and the blue litmus remains blue. That means it is basic in nature. Red litmus, the blue litmus test, the other so much chemically, or the degree let number practice chita, and answer let number and the reaction. The reaction the change in temperature rather change in substance color, change in correct color or the get some evolution of gas and just that balancing chemical equation like the Nanzo Gita, so the super market and just a sort of neighbor the